Hello YouTube. Ok, je suis de retour ici. Je vais juste traverser et passer par là. Non, mauvais pont. C'est ce pont-là. On va explorer un petit peu. Bon, pas grand-chose. Hein. On était déjà passé par ici. Je sais pas si vous vous souvenez, on avait affronté des morts-vivants. Vous allez me dire, on fait que ça depuis, depuis une trentaine d'épisodes, mais on va l'explorer de ce côté. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? D'accord. Il est pas verrouillé? No way. Alors. Oh, pas mal. Oh, visiblement, il y a plusieurs accès autour de Haute-Lune. Pourquoi elle a sauté?
Enjoy the view. This feels like it'd stretch all the way. I'm afraid you missed the ship, Trousseau, but there'll be another along soon enough. We're already stacking the cargo.
Quelle cargaison?
Nothing of note. Just supplies for the battle ahead. I've already checked it twice over.
As the symbol glows, power courses through you. Authority.
Votre travail consiste à garder les quais. Laissez-moi occuper des détails, d'accord? Oh, tout juste.
Right you are, I suppose. Check away.
Il a un accent. Waouh!
A wave of sick familiarity radiates from one barrel amidst the cargo. Tadpoles. Sleeping and scarcely aware, but echoing yours 100-fold.
An army's worth of slithering parasites. Sickness waiting to spread.
Tentez d'établir le contact entre votre larve et celle du bocal.
A pattern of blank minds newly born. They carry only a bare shred of memory, inherited from something older. A sleep of centuries. The birth and destruction of a settlement above forming only background noise to the dream. Until something descended down into the darkness, and the dreamer awoke.
Empty. Void of essence, void of purpose. We cannot allow their birth.
Je suis bien d'accord. Ramasser. Ramasser. Je réquisitionne ces larves.
I am loath to see anyone behind bars. It reminds me of
my
prisoners,
time
I
as a
mean.
guest of the goblins.
Any one of them could be elevated
That reminds
to true
me,
soul.
how in the nine
Should
hells
they
could
accept
goblins
Ah,
capture
je suis
a
dans la
chap as
prison.
well-muscled as you?
Then I shall have to keep them
Poor
busy.
choice of companions for one thing. Gladly rectified since then. Besides, a large enough pack of scavengers can take down even the strongest of bears.
Si Mintara était pas morte, on l'aurait retrouvée ici. J'ai peut-être le démon, ouais. Alors...
I swear it.
Ulbren.
Damn straight. Without... Nimble. Check for gaps, cracks, anything to leverage the rock. Nichols...
Your conversation has been cut short. These prisoners are for Disciple Balthazar's attention only.
Balthazar m'a donné la permission de venir ici, demandez-lui. Je pense que ça a trompé personne. Allez. Merci.
Your association with Disciple Balthazar inspires respect and a touch of fear. You are free to speak to the prisoners.
You ordered that guard about as if you were the Absolute herself. What do you want with us, exactly?
Je suis là pour vous aider à vous enfuir.
Huh. And why would you be so inclined?
J'ai prêté serment de servir une autre divinité, et je me suis infiltré à l'intérieur des tours afin d'affaiblir l'absolu. Ouais, c'est plus... 6-7 Pardon.
The Absolute thinks she's got you by the scruff of the neck. But it's the other way around, isn't it? I reckon you and I were meant to meet. I'm Wilbren.
Parlons de votre plan d'évasion. De quoi avez-vous besoin?
Efficient? Good. We need tools. That head case of a warden robbed ours, but anything that breaks rock will do. Even if it's not Iron Hand quality. Whatever you find, throw it through the bars. But for the love of Gerdel, make sure a guard doesn't see you. Or we're both done for. Your feet fly fast, my friend. Any luck with those tools?
Oui, j'en ai quelques-uns. Bah tiens, mais ah. Tiens.
Good work. We're gonna wait until it's quiet and then bust out the back wall. We'll grab the tieflings along the way. We'll need them if it comes to a fight. You, however, are the clincher. Once we move, keep the patrols busy. If the bastards spot us, all of bloody Moonrise will come down on us.
Le moment est venu, allons-y.
We'll move once it's quiet. Until then, be ready.
Je suis prêt à me battre de toute manière. Il va aller prévenir... On va attendre. C'est super discret ça. Ah, j'allais dire, ils en mettent du temps. Ah ouais. Toi, faut te tuer rapidement, toi.
Let's try this. Let's have some courage. No escape.
Where do I go from here?
Toi, t'es faible à... Dégâts de tonnerre. Ouais. Ouais, je vois.
Stay focused.
Victory awaits. No time to waste.
Tu te fous de moi.
On the victor's path. 2 steps at a time.
Nature's fury shall not be checked. I must not stop.
Moi.
Swords meet sorcery.
Tormentor.
I'm forever, pal. How many die today? How many die tomorrow? What path lies before me?
On va pas leur parler tout de suite. Attention, ils vont pas partir sans moi.
No traps, please.
Ok, on va envoyer ça à Gale. Oh, waouh! Astarion. certes, il pourra plus se mettre invisible, mais derrière, un des dégâts supplémentaires, c'est pas mal.
Still on my feet.
I'm ready.
My turn.
Never a dull moment.
Ok.
Breathe deep and move.
What a day. Moving.
Time to take a load off, isn't it?
Simple.
All right.
Bien, tout est déverrouillé. Ok.
Walk in death.
Je peux aller là? J'ai jamais vu ici. Je vais attendre tout le monde parce que je le sens un peu mal. Bien. Ok. Et c'est tout. Je m'attendais à un vrai truc. Dommage. Allez, on va aller leur parler. Oui. Moi j'ai cru qu'ils n'y arriveraient jamais.
Boat's good to go. All that's left is to ship off. My plan for now is to hide out on the water. Unless you have a better idea.
Je vous accompagne, je connais un endroit appelé l'auberge de l'ultime loueur, vous y serez en sécurité.
Safe? That's no small claim in these parts. Lead the damn way.
You drift through the dark until time, skill, or luck brings you to Last Light's dock.
Hold there. You can't just land and start unloading strangers. There are procedures, damn it. No one gets in without being tested. Commander Jaheira's orders.
Jaehaera a ordonné à tous les ménestrels de me laisser passer, de me laisser circuler librement.
Commander cleared you, not your friends. Anyone could be infected, so we're checking all new faces. No exceptions. Here, form a line. Let's see if the Absolute's little pet recognizes any of you.
The Absolutes, what? What are you doing?
Il veut juste vérifier que vous n'êtes pas infecté. C'est sans danger, vous pouvez me croire.
If what you've said is true, no one has anything to fear. If not, well, we'll soon find out. Now, form a line. I'll not ask again. That's it. This won't take long.
On va aller parler à Marcus, il va être content. Mon petit pote à la compote là. Et il va me donner la brillante réplique.
I have something to ask.
What now?
La brillante réplique est prête?
No! And pestering the craftsman won't speed things up.
On va faire-
I'm sure
Ah,
you would.
je dois attendre peut-être.
Now, if you're done right.
Je vais peut-être attendre que... Mais il est là le signe de quoi tu parles. Attendez, il y a un truc étrange. D'accord. Un bug visuel.
Take a moment, Bran. Savor our victory over the Dryder.
I'll celebrate when Ketheric's dead.
On doit peut-être attendre que Wulbren ait fini son inspection. Ah, il manque littéralement 12 points d'expérience.
Seems someone's been skimming our supplies.
Find out who it is and bring them to me.
Yes, Mom.
Bah. À tous les coups, il s'est TP. Et ça va me faire comme les dernières fois. Je vais rentrer dans la taverne et il sera là. Boîte coucou.
So now what? We just wait.
Bah non.
Trousseau comes through.
Yes, we wait. If we're cool.
Ah, everyone seems to be quite a flutter.
Ah voilà.
Do you know why?
Vous n'êtes pas au courant, j'ai libéré tous ceux qui étaient retenus prisonniers à Haute-Lune.
You did? But that means... Wulbren!
Mais bon.
Wulbren! Where is he? Ah! Have you forgotten what's at stake? Wulbren!
I heard you might be about. How the devil did you get stuck here, Barkas?
I'm not stuck. I came to find you, of course.
Why would you do a foolish thing like that? Really, Barkas?
Unfortunately for me, you're my friend. Rescuing you from mortal peril is my right.
But you didn't rescue me, did you? I rescued myself with the aid of this helper.
Ah, it's you. I should have guessed. Thank you very much for your help finding Wulbren.
You don't belong here, Barkus. As soon as the way is clear, pack up and head to Baldur's Gate.
But... Wulbren... The rune powder... We need to discuss what you're going to...
I said go home!
Vous n'avez pas idée de ce que Barkus a dû endurer pour vous retrouver.
Please, that isn't necessary.
Indeed. Neither of you has any clue what's at stake. And why should you? It's Iron Hand gnome business. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a great deal to do.
Well, there we have it. Wulbren is safe and sound. Thanks to you. I owe you a great deal. The brilliant retort, for starters. Here you are. As promised. I give you the brilliant retort. Now, I believe our business is well and truly concluded.
Que comptez-vous faire maintenant, Barkus?
Well, perhaps Wulbren is right. Perhaps I ought to return to Baldur's Gate.
Et si vous rejoignez mon camp lorsque nous serons prêts à quitter la région?
Perhaps I will. Yes. Yes. That's a nice idea. Thank you.
Hope the trousseau comes through.
Yes, we wait.
Hop, et c'est parti pour les prises de niveau. Alors là, bam, bam, bam. Bon allez, ça me fera gagner de la vie efficacement. Hop, on va mettre ça pour augmenter notre initiative. On continue à augmenter ça. Astral Assaut. Ok, c'est pas mal. Je vais prendre ça. Quoique non. Non. On va prendre ça. C'est bête, mais ça peut être pas mal. Oh, chèque d'éclair là. Alors. Là, on va continuer à monter moine. On va aller chercher des points en sagesse. Là, ici, on continue à monter guerrier. Hop. Ombre cœur. Alors, je peux continuer à monter guerrier ou je peux aller chercher... Bah, le domaine de la ruse. Hein. Bon, je peux mettre des niveaux de paladin maintenant. Je peux mettre 2 niveaux de paladin pour aller chercher les smites. Ça peut être assez énervé. Hein. Allez. Tac.
Soldier.
C'est un peu le bazar dans... Alors, je vais faire une liste. Alors, les trucs d'enragement, c'est là. Alors, les trucs de rage, c'est ici. Ici, c'est les buffs. Les trucs à distance, je vais les mettre là. Les trucs au corps à corps, je vais les mettre là.
Take a moment, Bran. Savor our victory over the Drider.
I'll celebrate when Ketheric's dead. Not before.
We're still alive, Bran.
Sylvanus' blessings.
Là, on va dans les passifs et on va mettre manifestation de l'âme. On peut rajouter pas mal de dégâts, c'est pas mal.
Is that blood? No, never mind.
Sharp as ever.
Nothing hurts anymore.
Ok.
If not over, then through.
On va retourner à Haute Lune.
Not to diminish our efforts, but it was rather simple getting here in the end, wasn't it?
The obstacles ahead of us promise to be higher still. Which will make the pleasure of overcoming them all the more potent.
We are each of us threads in her design. Even those we once called monsters.
Hush! Meat sounds above. Here. For a moment, you do hear it. Flesh sliding on stone, like a living being extending through the walls.
Il y aurait quelque chose dans les murs, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Big! In walls above! Maybe. Whole tower. Loudest near kitchen. But Mig banned. Not allowed to pet nose. You find meat? You share.
What's up for discussion?
Many hearts, one soul.
Hmm.
Here goes nothing.
I itched to draw my weapon and gut every last one of these cultists.
You're keen. Just don't get carried away. Some of those guts might be of use to us unspilled, at least for a while.
Ce qui me bute avec les ailes, c'est que je suis d'accord, hein, y a pas de problème. Tirons-les, mais tu peux le dire un peu moins fort, s'il te plaît?
The absolutists will feel the sting of my blade.
Always room for more.
Genre au moins le temps qu'on ait fini de explorer la tour.
A moment, true soul. You use a spoon to stir the soup, Barnabas. Forget the axe, my darling. Now, how can I help you?
Je n'avais encore jamais vu un gnoll apprivoisé.
Soft and sweet as pudding, isn't he? He no longer remembers his life in the wild. That is the gift the Absolute gave me when I stood before her. To rewrite the lives of her faithful. Make them believe there's something better.
Je crois que l'Absolu nous acceptait tous tels que nous sommes.
She gathers many threads for her design, but it is still her design. And Barnabas has found his place in it. Observe. Barnabas, sweetie, come show what a good boy you are. would you like him to do?
Surprenez-moi.
The prayer, I think. Barnabas struggles with civilized speech, but he's been practicing.
You feel her will surge outwards and envelop the creature, inexorable as the tide.
Soul.
No, Barnabas! We talked about this.
Apparemment, vous ne le contrôlez pas aussi bien que vous le pensez.
They battle silently for a long moment, the Gnoll's heart drumming with strain. Then all at once, his heart stops.
Super.
Oh, Barnabas. I'm so sorry, me darling. He isn't the first to die. Her love is simply too much for some. I hope you will fare better when your time comes.
Baby.
The feline eyes the parasite with a glint in her eye, intent clear. Murder. Glorious murder.
Toi, tu es une sacrée chasseuse, pas vrai? Oh la Mimi. On va la tenter. On s'en fout, on retente. Ça vaut le coup. Bien.
The cat ignores you, but her eyes stray to a small tunnel hidden in the wall. The message is clear. Stay if you wish, but she will flee at a moment's notice.
I'm way too big.
No way.
Araj Oblodra, trader in blood and the sanguineous arts. It is a pleasure to stand before a true soul, and your pale companion. I'd like to offer my services, if you're willing.
En quoi consiste En quoi mon compagnon au Tempal vous intéresse-t-il? Non, pour l'instant, je vais juste voir ce que vous avez en stock. Qu'est-ce que... Ça... Oh. Pourquoi pas? Pourquoi pas? Attends, c'est cher. Je vais déjà vendre ça. C'est pas très concluant, hein. C'est pas mal ça, je vais peut-être m'en équiper. Bon, je vais tout récupérer donc.
Come back anytime.
Donc.
Welcome back. I'd like to offer my services, if you're willing.
Pourquoi mon compagnon Otterpal vous intéresse-t-il?
Please. You think someone in my line of work wouldn't recognize a vampire spawn when they see one? I trade in blood, and the potions that can be wrung from it. I'm more than happy to make you one, if you'd honor me with your blood. With one drop, I can brew a rather potent potion for you. The rest, I keep for myself.
Et que faites-vous exactement avec le sang de vos donateurs?
Research, naturally. A little experimentation, perhaps. I have an innate curiosity for all things sanguine.
De quel genre de potion s'agit-il au juste?
No idea, but it will be unique to you. Your blood essence and the Absolute's blessing intertwined. We can learn exactly what that means together, hmm?
Ouais, mais et la vie d'Astarion? Intéressant, c'est d'accord.
Just a little prick and it's all over. Close your eyes. There we are. All of your very best traits in a bottle. Use it well. Although perhaps there's one more thing we could discuss. Your vampiric friend.
Oh, don't worry. We're all friends under the Absolute. I won't bite.
Oh, I'd prefer if you did. I assume he belongs to you?
Vous plaisantez? Il est son propre maître.
I'm sure he really believes that. How utterly adorable. Do you have a name, Spawn?
Astarion, but hold on.
Good. Now, Astarion. I've dreamt of being bitten by a vampire since I was a young girl.
I'm sorry, you want to be bitten?
To feel your life's blood slipping away. To dance on the edge between life and death. Yes. I want it. I'll even compensate you. A potion of legendary power that forever increases the strength of the one who consumes it. It's not for sale, but it's yours if you bite me.
I will have to decline.
Excuse me? This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and you're squandering it.
I gave you my answer.
Can't you talk some sense into your obstinate charge?
On voit juste, tu dis, bah tiens, qu'est-ce qui se passe? Je me demande que vous ne sautiez pas sur l'occasion, Astarion.
I'm sorry, but could you excuse us a moment? Are you actually asking me to do this? Trading me for some potion?
Mais vraiment pas.
Because there's something wrong with her blood. I can smell it from here. It's rank.
À vous de voir, la décision vous appartient.
All right. Thank you. It's still a no, I'm afraid.
How very disappointing.
Thank you. I appreciated that.
Mais c'est normal, le consentement en fait, enfin... Ok. Bon, on a fait tout le rez-de-chaussée. Enfin, tout le rez-de-chaussée. Oui et non. On n'est pas allé dans la salle principale. Bon, on va y aller pour conclure l'épisode. Si j'arrive à retrouver mon chemin, évidemment. Et dans le prochain épisode, on s'occupera de l'étage.
Must have come in with the Drider, did ya? Well, you're in good time. General Kefric's in the main hall. Don't say I didn't warn you.
I did as I was told! Followed every order I was given!
The facts suggest otherwise. You were ordered to retrieve the artifact. You failed to do so.
Take it up with Minthara! She's the one who...
Enough!
A blast of mental energy washes over you, filling the room. Your tadpole squirms, urging you to obey.
You failed to retrieve the artifact. You failed to protect your true soul. You do not deserve to live.
Regardez les séances et continuez d'observer la scène.
You ain't serious! You can't be!
General Thorm?
Let our newest arrival speak. You have seen what these creatures are capable of, and you have seen their inadequacies, isn't that so? What is your judgment?
We did as we were told! We're loyal to the Absolute! Tell him!
Enough! True Soul, tell the General how the Goblins served our cause.
J'ai vu les atrocités qu'ils ont commises au nom de l'absolu.
Thank you! It's good to be appreciated.
I'm sure they were very enthusiastic. But zeal without efficacy is for children, not servants. We are too close to the ending. And the new beginning. I can coddle failure no longer. Kill them, quickly.
What? No! You creaking old bag of shit!
I'm so sorry, my lord. She's an unbeliever outside my control.
Try again.
No.
Dispose of the rest as you see fit. Or better yet, let us take advantage of our surprising guest and their particular creative genius. I'm sure the results will send a clear message to the troops on the importance of discipline.
Of course, my lord. Thank you. You heard the General. The goblins are yours. Deal with them however you wish.
Je peux vraiment la faire tout ce que je veux.
They are yours. You can release them, kill them, or feed them to each other for all I care. Just deal with them. Here in the seat of the Absolute's power, your authority over them is complete. They will obey any command. Report to me upstairs when you're done.
Yeah, you ain't gonna do anything drastic, are ya? We've been nothing but loyal.
Allez, on va les libérer.
Praise the Absolute, and praise you, true soul.
Oh, you exhaust me. Compassion is not a virtue.
In another lifetime, you were greeted in this throne room like a god, not the living wreck you are now. Your disgrace has something to do with this Ketheric. You yearn to flay him until he forgets himself, as you have.
Peu importe qui il est, il vous barre la route.
Nothing sickens you more than a man who is unkillable. But to a veteran deviant such as yourself, it is but a matter of time.
The seat of the Absolute's power, occupied by a general that cannot be killed. But his followers are flesh and blood. We must learn what fuels his power.
Et ben on va s'arrêter là pour cet épisode. Dans le prochain, on essaiera de faire l'étage et d'avancer un petit peu. Hein. Je vous fais des bisous YouTube et je vous dis à la prochaine.